If you want to manage emails and sales in one place, connecting Gmail to Pipedrive is a great move. In this guide, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Pipedrive step by step. First, log in to your Pipedrive account and go to the Settings menu. This is where all integrations and email connections are managed. Next, find the Email Sync or Email Integration section inside Settings. This is where you can connect your Gmail account. Now click Connect Gmail. Sign in with your Google account and allow Pipedrive to access your email. After connecting, choose your sync settings. You can decide whether to sync all emails or only selected folders and labels. You can also enable email tracking. This helps you see when someone opens your emails or clicks on links, which is useful for sales follow-ups. Once everything is set up, send a test email to make sure your Gmail is properly connected to Pipedrive. After syncing, you can send and receive emails directly inside Pipedrive. Yeah, all conversations will automatically link to your contacts and deals, and that's how to connect Gmail to Pipedrive. So once it's set up, you'll save time and keep all your customer communication organized in one place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.